Hello everyone.
While searching over the internet, I have found one more cool tool called Recraft.ai. As a marketing professional, I was searching for a tool that could fulfill my needs, from designing and creating thumbnails to logo making, all using AI. During my search for this particular purpose, I found Recraft.ai, which is purely based on AI and serves as an all-in-one AI tool for designers. It offers premium image generation and editing capabilities. Currently, it's emerging as a potential Canva competitor with its comprehensive design capabilities. Let me start by exploring the homepage of the site. As you can see, these are photos developed by different users, using various models and themes, which provide proper output based on their needs. Notice this photo of a footballer that has been customized using the Mockup tool. You can control the visuals, control the logos, or whatever you want to paste here. You can change the placement, keep the branding as per your wish, and modify the style based on your brand needs. Let's explore the AI editing tools available: AI Eraser, Background Remover, Mockup Generator, Collaging, Recolor Vector Images, Image Upscaler, Image Vectorizer, SVG Format Export Support. One particularly useful feature is the ability to save and reuse color palettes for consistent branding across all your designs. After logging into the site and successful sign up, you'll get a project page. There are plenty of tutorials available to help you work easily, so do check these out. Let's create a new project. When creating an image, it offers different options. Under Models, you can see various types: Recraft v3 RAW, the recent one, Photorealism, Vector Art, Illustration, Line and Fill, Linecut, Enterprise, Natural Light, Studio Photo, HDR, Hand-Drawn, Hard Flash, Grain, Color Blobs, Bold Sketch, Motion Blur, Pencil Sketch, Black and White, Retro Pop, Clay, Risograph, Color Engraving, Pixel Art, Engraving Styles. Let's choose Recraft v3 RAW. When creating an image, you can choose the color palette as per your wish. You can also select the output orientation and change the ratio as needed. I'm going to set it to 1:1. Let's generate. For best results with Recraft v3 RAW, make sure your prompts are specific about lighting, style, and composition. The first output isn't what I want, so let's recreate the image. With Recraft v3 RAW model, the output is good, but the colors are missing. Let's try the photorealism model. Though the images still have some issues. Now let's check the fine-tune and variate options from Recraft.ai. The fine-tune model helps create similar images, and you can change the variation as needed. I'm modifying the prompt by removing the colors and reprompting for cooling glasses. It has given a similar image, but the cooling glasses are still missing. I've given a prompt focusing on a 1920s time cafe, changing the model to illustration and modifying the orientation ratio. Here's the output. This is really good, and I'm going to save it. When creating logos, you can save your brand colors as a palette and reuse them across different designs for consistency. Now I'm going to create a logo style vector image for the brand name Marima. In the output, the letters appear as per our input. Under the export option, you can save the files in different formats: PNG, JPG, SVG, and Lottie file formats. Let's recreate the same logo by choosing a color palette. After modifying the prompt and generating again, it has created a vector that's really good, with colors matching our choices. The output is simple and completely in logo vector style. You can export it as PNG, SVG, or whatever format suits your needs, and edit it later easily. Now let's create a mock-up image. I'll choose a red V-neck t-shirt as our base mock-up product image. After creation, it shows the area where we can paste our brand name or image. I'm going to create a Taj Mahal image for the mock-up placement. See how easily we can move the mock-up content throughout the t-shirt. You can download this image and print as desired. Let's create another mock-up with a yellow hoodie at 4:5 ratio. The output is really great compared to the previous one. For the mock-up image, I want to generate a 2-year-old small girl smiling, trying different models including clay and studio style. The tool allows you to adjust photos and place them within the mock-up area, which is excellent for customizations. You can add your own photos by drag and dropping. Let's try that. See how the mock-up input image changes? The output is exactly what we want. Let's try it with a white mug mock-up too. Notice how easily you can change the image size and position within the frame. Creative Design section. Save your favorite frame sizes as presets for quick access when creating similar content in the future. Let's create something creative using the photorealism model. We'll add YouTube thumbnail style text content and use the frame tool to create a proper thumbnail size. In the frame prompt section, we'll specify the text style. After recrafting, notice how the image has expanded based on the frame size and the text style has changed significantly. One more advantage of Recraft.ai is its inpainting ability, similar to Adobe Photoshop. This is essential for correcting minor image generation issues without regenerating the entire image. Let's test this by creating a 2-year-old little girl's image. Using the Modify Area tool, we'll select her hands and prompt it to place a rose in one hand and a birthday greeting card in the other. The outputs are quite good, though not as advanced as Flux models. To maximize your free credits, plan your projects ahead and batch similar designs together. Regarding pricing, the initial free plan offers 50 credits daily. You can upgrade to Basic, Advanced, or Pro plans as needed. Currently, I'm using the free plan, which allows up to 50 image creations. On the community page, you can see numerous creations by users. When checking any image, it shows you the prompt and model used for creation, which is really helpful. Study the prompts used in community creations. They can teach you valuable techniques for your own designs. In conclusion, while they're improving significantly day by day, there's still room for improvement in AI image generation for designers. However, the Artboard style working area is great, and designers can create whatever they want easily. That's it for today. If you want to try it, check my link in the description. Let's explore more tools in future videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.